solve d square plus 1y equal to sin x. D square plus 1y equal to sin x. We have to solve this problem. Auxiliary equation of this is first of all we shall write the problem. Given equation is d square plus 1y equal to sin x. Its auxiliary equation is m square plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, roots of auxiliary equation are m equal to plus minus I. M equal to plus minus I. Therefore, yc is, that is complementary function, is yc equal to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. This is a given equation 1, suppose. This is a second, yc is a second. Now, to find out yp, we consider rx. Here, rx equal to sin x. See, roots of auxiliary equation are m dash equal to plus minus I. Therefore, we shall consider yp equal to a cos x plus b sin x. But here roots are repeated, plus minus I here, plus minus I here also. Therefore, I is repeated 2 times. Therefore, we shall take here, instead of a, we shall take x cos 2x and bx sin x. Yp equal to ax cos x plus bx sin x. We shall take this. Now, here this equation yp must satisfy this equation, given equation. Therefore, d square yp plus yp equal to sin x. So, we require d square yp. Therefore, we shall differentiate this equation 2 times. Therefore, dyp equal to minus ax sin x minus a into derivative of x cos x. Here we have to use UV rule. Derivative of x is 1, cos x as it is, plus x as it is, derivative of cos x is minus sin x, plus. Similar for b. b into derivative of x is 1 and sin x, plus x as it is, derivative of sin x is cos x. Therefore, dyp equal to a into cos x minus x sin x plus b into sin x plus x cos x. Again, we require d square yp. D square yp equal to, differentiate this, a into derivative of cos x is minus sin x, minus, for the derivative of x sin x, we again use UV rule. X, derivative of x is 1, sin x as it is, plus x as it is, derivative of sin x is cos x, plus b into derivative of sin x is cos x plus x, derivative of x is 1, cos x as it is, plus x as it is, derivative of cos x is minus sin x. This is d square yp. We shall substitute these values in given equation 1. D square yp plus yp equal to sin x. Put in 1. Then we shall get d square yp, that means this first a into minus sin x and minus sin x, minus 2 sin x minus x cos x plus b into cos x plus cos x, 2 cos x minus x sin x plus yp plus, what is y? Ax cos x plus bx sin x equal to sin x. I shall simplify this term. Here, if I evaluate this bracket, minus 2a sin x minus ax cos x plus 2b cos x minus bx sin x plus ax cos x plus bx sin x equal to sin x. This ax cos x and ax cos x minus bx sin x and bx sin x, these get cancelled, and there remains only minus 2a sin x plus 2b cos x equal to sin x. In this equation, comparing like terms, we will get minus 2a equal to 1 and 2b equal to 0. Minus 2a equal to 1 and 2b equal to 0. Therefore, a equal to minus 1 by 2 and b equal to 0. Therefore, we will get yp equal to a, that means minus 1 by 2, x cos x plus b 0. Therefore, yp equal to minus 1 by 2 x cos x. And hence, general solution of the given differential equation is equal to yc plus yp, nothing but c1 cos x plus c2 sin x minus 1 by 2 x cos x. This is the general solution. D square plus d y equal to minus cos x. We have to solve this problem. D square plus dy equal to minus cos x. We shall write first auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is m square plus m equal to 0. That is nothing but m into m plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, m equal to 0 and m equal to minus 1. And hence, the complementary function is yc equal to c1 plus c2 e raised to minus x. This is equation number 1, suppose. This is the first solution. Now for particular solution, as right hand side contains cos x, we shall assume that as RHS contains R equal to cos x, yp equal to, suppose yp equal to c3 cos x plus c4 sin x. We shall suppose that yp equal to c3 cos x plus c4 sin x. As this is a particular solution, this must satisfy the given equation, and hence we require dyp and d square yp. Then we shall find out dyp. dyp equal to minus c3 sin x, derivative of cos x is minus sin x, plus c4 cos x. Similarly, d square yp equal to minus c3 cos x minus c4 sin x, derivative of cos x is minus sin x. We shall substitute these values in the given equation and try to find out values of c3 and c4. Therefore, d square y plus dy, that is nothing but d square yp plus dyp equal to minus cos x. Therefore, minus c3 cos x minus c4 sin x plus dyp minus c3 sin x plus c4 cos x equal to minus cos x equal to minus cos x. Now comparing the like terms, we shall write minus c3 plus c4 cos x plus minus c3 minus c4 sin x equal to minus cos x plus 0 sin x. Right hand side can be as minus 1 into cos x plus 0 into sin x. From this, if we compare the coefficient of cos x, we will get minus c3 plus c4 equal to minus 1, and comparing the coefficient of sin x, we get minus c3 minus c4 equal to 0. If I add these two equations, c4 plus c4 minus get cancelled, minus 2c3 equal to minus 1, therefore c3 equal to 1 by 2. Substituting c3 equal to 1 by 3 in any one equation, we can write, suppose we shall substitute this value in this equation, minus 1 by 2 minus c4 equal to 0. Therefore, c4 equal to minus 1 by 2. c3 equal to 1 by 2, c4 equal to minus 1 by 2. Substituting this value in yp, we will get yp equal to c3, that is 1 by 2 cos x plus c4, that is minus 1 by 2 sin x. This is second solution, yp, particular integral. Now adding these two, we will get general solution of the differential equation. Therefore, general solution is general solution of given differential equation is y equal to yc plus yp, that is nothing but c1 plus c2 e raised to minus x plus 1 by 2 cos x minus 1 by 2 sin x plus 1 by 2 cos x and minus 1 by 2 sin x. This is the general solution. In this way, we can solve the differential equation by method of undetermined coefficients. D square minus 6d plus 9y equal to e raised to x. Suppose this is a given equation number 1. Now its auxiliary equation is m square minus 6m plus 9 equal to 0. That is nothing but m minus 3 bracket square equal to 0, and hence m equal to 3 and 3. Since the root 3 is repeated 2 times, the complementary function yc equal to c1 plus c2x into e raised to 3x. Now, as RHS contains e raised to x, as in RHS Rx equal to e raised to x, yp equal to c3 e raised to x. We shall suppose that y3 equal to c3 e raised to x. Now we require dyp, d square yp. This yp must satisfy this given equation 1. Therefore dyp equal to c3 e raised to x, d square yp equal to c3 e raised to x. Now this, substituting these values in given equation 1, we get as yp is a particular integral d square yp minus 6 dyp plus 9 yp equal to e raised to x, and substituting these values we get c3 e raised to x minus 6 times c3 e raised to x plus 9 times c3 e raised to x equal to e raised to x. c3, okay, 1 minus 6 plus 9 into c3 e raised to x equal to e raised to x. 4 c3 equal to 1. Therefore c3 equal to 1 by 4. E raised to x, e raised to x, both sides get cancelled, and we will get c3 equal to 1 by 4. Hence yp equal to 1 by 4 e raised to x. Thus the general solution is of the given differential equation is y equal to yc plus yp, that is y equal to yc equal to c1 plus c2x into e raised to 3x plus e raised to x by 4. This is the required solution. D square plus 3d plus 2 y equal to 12x square. We have to solve the problem d square plus 3d plus 2y equal to 12x square by using the method of undetermined coefficients. Here auxiliary equation is m square plus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore m square plus 2m plus m plus 2 equal to 0. 3 can be split in terms of 2 and 1. Therefore if we take m common, m plus 2 plus 1 common, m plus 2 equal to 0, and hence m plus 2 into m plus 1 equal to 0, And that's why roots of auxiliary equation are -1 and -2. And therefore, complementary function is yc equal to c1 e raised to minus x plus c2 e raised to minus 2x. As a given equation is 1, this is equation 2. As Rx equal to, Rx means term in right hand side, 12x square, we shall take yp equal to c3 plus c4x plus c5x square. We shall take this c3 plus c4x plus c5x square, as RHS is 12x square. RHS contains term of x square, therefore it must contain 12 of x, terms of x and term of constant also. We require dyp and d square yp. Therefore dyp equal to derivative of c3 is 0, derivative of c4x is c4 plus 2c5x, and d square yp is derivative of c4 is 0, 2c5. Substituting these values in given equation, as yp is particular integral of 1 d square yp plus 3 dyp plus 2yp equal to 12x square. Now we shall substitute the values. 2c5, d square yp is 2c5 plus 3 times dyp, dyp is c4 plus 2c5 x plus 2yp, yp is c3 plus c4x plus c5 x square. This is equal to 12x square. Now collecting the like terms, that means constant terms, coefficient of x and coefficient of x square, 2c5 plus 3c4, these are constant terms, plus 2c3, these are constant terms, plus 6, 3 into 2, 6c5 x, 6c5x plus 2c4x plus 2c5x square equal to 12x square. Now if we compare both sides, collecting the like terms, equating the like terms, that means constant term equal to coefficient of constant term is 0, coefficient of x equal to coefficient of x 0, coefficient of x square equal to 12. Thus we will get 2c5 plus 3c4 plus 2c3 equal to 0, 6c5 plus 2c4 equal to 0, and 2c5 equal to 12. From this c5 equal to 6. If I substitute c5 equal to 6 in above equation, I will get 6 into c5 is a 6 plus 2c4 equal to 0. Therefore 2c4 equal to minus 36, and hence c4 equal to minus 18. Now I shall substitute c5 and c4 in above equation. 2c5, that means 2 into 6 plus 3c4, c4 is minus 18, plus 2c3 equal to 0. Therefore 12 minus 54 plus 2c3 equal to 0. Therefore, 2c3 equal to, this is minus 42, and if I transfer that minus 42, it will becomes plus 42, and from this c3 equal to 21. And hence, yp equal to c3, that means 21, plus c4x minus 18x plus c5x square, that is 6x square. And hence, general solution of the given differential equation is y equal to yc plus yp. Y equal to yc plus yp. Yc is c1 e raised to minus x plus c2 e raised to minus 2x plus 6x square minus 18x plus 21. This is the answer.